Feeling overwhelmed by continuous data that looks like a jumbled mess? Then let's explore how bins and Tableau can transform raw numbers into meaningful insights in just a minute. Bins are like containers that group continuous data into discrete intervals. They essentially chop up a number line into equal size segments. To create a bin, right-click on the continuous field you want to analyze, select Create, then Bins. In the Create Bins dialog box, you'll specify the size of each bin, which dictates the width of each interval. A smaller bin size gives you finer detail, while a larger bin size provides a broader overview. Once created, Tableau automatically groups your data points into these bins, counting how many fall within each interval. This lets you visualize the distribution of your data. With bins, you can easily spot patterns within specific ranges, identify the most frequent values, and ultimately craft more insightful histograms and charts. So next time you're staring at a sea of numbers, remember the power of bins to bring clarity and structure to your data analysis in Tableau.